abaturage baturiye iyi parike bakomeje gukorerwa byinshi byiza bivuye muri uyu musaruro usaranganywa buri mwaka, birimo kubakirwa amazu, guhabwa amatungo, ibikorwa remezo birimo amashuri, amazi meza, amavuriro n'ibindi.
Kwita izina is more than a naming ceremony. What began as a ranger's practice has evolved into a global movement. Let us honor what we have achieved and renew our commitment to the next 20 years of progress.
Rwanda is honored to be the custodian of these last mountain gorillas, which are not only a global treasure, but also a source of pride and economic opportunity for our nation. As you return home, may you carry with you the message of conservation and continue to advocate for the protection of our shared planet.